Wagwan my people. So this week on stage, Winford Williams interviewed the great Jack Scarpio, which is a pioneer of the dancehall genre, my people. He's one of the root alongside King Tubby's and King Jammy's that I talked about last week. You know what I mean? And people, he was there to talk about celebrating his 50th anniversary in dancehall, and this is a great milestone for people like you. You know what I mean? Because Jack Scarpio has found the big bad sound, Black Scarpio, where he talk about how it come about and just being consistent and loving the music. And in those days as a youth, in the 70s when he loved it and was pursuing it was tribal war. You know what I mean? Because it was politically divided in Jamaica. You see me? But all of who was determined to make the genre as something that they love and for the world to love at large. This is one of the pioneers of it. You know what I mean? And people, for him to be celebrating this milestone, we have to show major respect to him, because dancehall is something that is covered the globe right now, my people. It is embedded itself into the global market, where it's undeniable. When you hear dancehall, you know that represent Jamaica. You know what I mean? But people, dancehall is not something that was there from the beginning of time. It evolved from reggae music. It was more of, as Winford Williams was saying, it was more rebellious. You know what I mean? Even though it came from reggae, it was, as you see, the beat is kind of more rough, and the lyrics was more rough. So that's how dancehall is different from reggae music. Reggae music was a message in of itself, but a more smoother message, which dancehall was more rebellious. You know what I mean? So it was so rebellious, which it gained a impact for itself. With the dancing and the drama was what make everything so powerful. You know what I mean? And this is the man who even started the first dancehall competition. You see me? Jack Scarpio. Jack Scarpio is the man who started the first dancehall competition. You know what I mean? He worked with people like Evil Beanie Man, Garnet Silk, Dennis Brown, Barrington Levy, Sanchez, Everton Blender, Shabba. All of them people that this man helped to mobilize them into the person they is right now as dancehall artist. So a major respect, because the man's still alive and well, my people. You know what I mean? So for him to have such an impact on the world, because it's not only Jamaica. As I said, dancehall music is all over the world. The other day I was watching a video where it was playing on Romania Got Talent, where people was dancing to popcorn music. And even though it's popcorn music, it's still dancehall, and it's still coming from people like Jack Scarpio. You know what I mean? So that's to show you the impact where this man live on the earth when he should pass and gone. And now he's alive and well, we have to big him up. You know what I mean? Because this man has a great influence in where dancehall is today. And he was talking about even where dancehall was birthed. You know what I mean? Because dancehall was birthed in the real garrison, where the people were struggling. You know what I mean? Trying to make ends meet in between those contention. Places like Riverton, Seaview, Marvally, Trenchtown, Jamestown, Waterhouse. Those are the places, the inner city, where dancehall was birthed. You know what I mean? And we need to hold on it, because no one is going to take dancehall from us. This man is the real pioneer of dancehall and where it is today. You know what I mean? And we have to show him respect, and people need to know this, that when you talk about dancehall, you have to talk about people like Jack Scarpio, you have to talk about King Jammy's, you have to talk about King Tubby's. These men are the root. Dancehall germinate from these men. You know what I mean? And no one is going to take dancehall from us. You see me? Because this man is showing you that he have the history to prove where dancehall came from. So when people are infiltrating dancehall and trying to dilute it and call it something else, we still call our dancehall, and we're still gonna hold on to it. You know what I mean? Just like how we're still holding on to reggae music. You see me? So big up yourself, Jack Scarpio. Zimmy. Peace. I'm out.
In the country, you have to look upon. And him do great works too, because even though him dey jail, him still be the champion DJ boy. And some boy will say them did want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winford Williams. Take me on that if you wish.